Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 20C from chapter Cylinder, Cone and Sphere. So starting with question number 7, if the number of square centimeters on the surface area of a sphere is equal to the number of cubic centimeters in its volume, what is the diameter of the sphere? You have to find the diameter of the sphere means you have to find the radius of the sphere. Okay, if you know the radius, you can easily find the diameter. Now what information is given? You are told that number of square centimeters on surface area. Now number of square centimeters on surface area means surface area hai, and this is equal to the number of cubic centimeters in its volume. So volume में how much cubic centimeters of volume we don't know, but let's say it is x centimeter cube, then this is equal to number of square centimeters on surface area, number of square centimeters on surface area. That is, if this is, let's say, x centimeter square, then this is x centimeter cube. If this is y centimeter square, then this is also y centimeter cube. Number of square centimeters, number is same. Okay, so let's say if this is 1000 centimeter square, then this is 1000 centimeter cube. The number is same. Okay, so surface area and volume is equal. Okay, so if surface area and volume is equal, what is the formula for surface area? It is 4 pi r square. This is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, we are talking about the same sphere, so radius is also same. 4 pi will get cancelled, so r square is equal to r cube upon 3. Okay, so r square cancel हो जाएगा, we are left with r upon 3 equal to 1. Okay, so r is equal to 3. So this is how you'll get the radius. Okay, surface area and volume are equal, you just have to equate and solve. Okay, now this in short means that the surface area and volume of the sphere are equal. ठीक है, so the number of square centimeters on surface area of sphere is equal to number of cubic centimeters in the volume. This means they are equal. Okay, therefore surface area of the sphere is equal to the volume of the sphere. Okay, both are equal. Now if both are equal, we'll just substitute the formula. So 4 pi r square is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, pi 4 will get cancelled, so r square is equal to r cube upon 3. We'll take 3 on the other side, r cube upon r square. Okay, so r is equal to 3, therefore r is equal to 3 centimeters. Okay, we got r. Therefore diameter is equal to twice r, which is equal to 2 into 3, which is equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore the diameter of the sphere is 6 centimeters. Proceeding to next question. Question number 8. A solid metal sphere is cut through its center into 2 equal parts. If the diameter of the sphere is 3.5 centimeter, find the total surface area of each part correct to 2 decimal places. Now you have a solid metal sphere, okay, which is cut through its center into 2 equal parts. So there is this solid metal sphere and you're cutting it from the center, ठीक है, into 2 equal parts. So these 2 parts are nothing but hemispheres, ठीक है, and these 2 hemispheres are equal because it is cut into 2 equal parts. So these are 2 equal hemispheres, ठीक है. Now you have to find the total surface area of each part, correct to 2 decimal places. You are given that the diameter of the sphere is 3.5 centimeter. पूरे sphere का diameter is 3.5 centimeter, that is 7/2 बराबर. 2 into 3 plus 1, that gives 7/2. So radius is nothing but 7/4 centimeters. Now this is the radius of the sphere. Now when you cut the sphere, radius is obviously not going to change. You're just cutting the sphere from the center. So the radius of both the hemispheres is also 7/4 centimeters. So you are given the radii and you have to find the total surface area of each part. So it is very easy. Okay. So let us write down the given first. Now for the sphere, you are given the diameter. Diameter is 3.5. So solving the mixed fraction, we get 7/2 centimeter. Okay. So therefore R is equal to 7/2 into 2, that is 7/4 centimeters. ठीक है. Now this is the radius for both the hemispheres as well. So you will write down the statement. The sphere is cut into 2 equal parts. These 2 parts are nothing but hemisphere. Are hemispheres with same radii as that of sphere. Okay, radius is not going to change. Therefore the radius of each hemisphere will be 7/4 centimeters. Okay, you know the radius, you can easily find the total surface area of each part. Total surface area of each hemisphere will be the curved surface area plus the base. Okay, hemisphere will be like this. ठीक है, but it is solid, so it is completely filled. So ये area भी include होगा plus the curved part. So curved part का it is 2 pi r square plus pi r square, so it is 3 pi r square. So TSA of each hemisphere is same. Okay, so TSA of each hemisphere will be 3 pi r square. That is nothing but into 22/7 into r is 7/4. So 7/4 into 7/4. 7 gets cancelled. 2 2s are 2 11s are. Okay. So this gives 33 into 7/8. We'll multiply 33 into 7 and divide by 8. So this will give 28.88 centimeters square. So the TSA of each hemisphere is 28.88 centimeters square. Proceeding to next question. Question number 9. The internal and external diameters of a hollow hemispherical vessel are 21 cm and 28 cm respectively. Find first part internal curved surface area, second part external curved surface area, third part total surface area, and fourth part volume of material of the vessel. You are given a hollow hemispherical vessel. ठीक है? So there is this hemispherical vessel. Okay. It is like this. It is hollow, मतलब अंदर से empty है. It is like a patila or a bowl. Okay, a bowl which has some thickness and it is empty. Okay, it is not filled. So it is like a hollow bowl. All right, and it has some thickness. Now this is in the shape of a hemisphere, and internal and external diameters are given to us. Internal diameter बोला गया है and external diameter बोला गया है. Internal diameter D is 21 centimeter and external, that is capital D, is 28 centimeter. Find internal curved surface area, external curved surface area. This is easy. Internal curved surface area, you have to find only the curved part because there is only curved part over here. Okay, it is hollow, it is open from the top. So internal curved surface area will be 2 pi r square. Okay, and you can easily find the radius from this diameter, so you can easily find internal curved surface area. Coming to external curved surface area, it will be 2 pi capital R square. Okay, you can easily get R from D. Now coming to total surface area. Total surface area will be this curved part, internal curved part, okay, plus the external curved part. Internal curved part का area जो है that plus the external curved part का area, okay, ये जो internal area है plus the external area and plus यहाँ पे भी area है, right? So there is this internal area plus outer area and plus there is some thickness वाला area. Okay, so there is top में this area plus अंदर में area and plus outer part का area, that will give you the total surface area of the hemisphere. And coming to volume of material of the vessel. Volume of material. Now this vessel has some thickness. Okay, वो पूरा material से भरा हुआ है. This whole thing, okay, whatever I am shading, ये पूरा filled है. If you have a glass bowl तो कैसा होगा? Okay, वो पूरा glass एक thick रहता है, glass bowl रहता है. So उसका volume कितना होगा? Volume of this outer part, okay, minus the volume of this inner part will give you volume of this part. Okay, ये पूरा वॉल्यूम माइनस इसमें से ये इनर वॉल्यूम सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो मुझे इसका वॉल्यूम पूरा मिल जाएगा. ओके, सो आउटर वॉल्यूम माइनस इनर वॉल्यूम विल गिव यू द वॉल्यूम ऑफ मटीरियल ऑफ द वेसल. यू हैव टू फाइंड द मटीरियल ऑफ द वेसल, नॉट द कैपेसिटी ऑफ द वेसल. कैपेसिटी ऑफ वेसल तो क्या हो जाएगा? दिस विल बी पाई स्मॉल आर क्यूब, 4/3 पाई स्मॉल आर क्यूब. ठीक है, बट दिस विल बी वॉल्यूम ऑफ आउटर minus volume of inner will give you the volume of the material that is used to make this bowl. Okay, so let us start with the given information. Now for the hollow hemispherical vessel, you are given small d equal to 21 centimeter and capital D equal to 28 centimeter. Okay, inner and outer diameters respectively. So small r will be 21/2 centimeter. Okay, and capital R will be 28/2, that will give 14. Okay, so now we'll find the internal curved surface area. So first part में internal CSA find करना है. Internal curved surface area is nothing but 2 pi r square. Okay, it is half of the whole sphere का area. So 2 pi r square is 2 into 22/7 into r is 21/2 into 21/2. 7 3s are 21. Okay, so ये हो जाएगा 44 into 63/2, सॉरी 4. तो यहाँ पे भी कैंसिल होगा, राइट? 4 11s are. So this will give 693. ठीक है, very easy. 693 centimeter square is the internal curved surface area. Now coming to the external curved surface area. So I am writing it here only. ठीक है, external 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर, कैपिटल आर स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 2 इंटू 22/7 इंटू 14 7 2s are, that is nothing but 44 into 28. This gives 1232 centimeter square. So external curved surface area is 1232 centimeter square. Now for third part you have to find total surface area. So total surface area of hemisphere कैसा होगा? Hollow hemisphere. Now let's say this is hemispherical, okay? Don't consider that it as flat from the base. ये flat है थोड़ा सा. So let's say this is totally hemispherical. तो क्या हो जाएगा? The outer area, ठीक है, outer curved surface area plus इसका inner curved surface area. Outer curved surface area will be 2 pi r square. Okay, inner curved surface area will be 2 pi small r square. All right, and this area, यहाँ पे एक thickness है. Okay, so ये hemispherical vessel का this thickness वाला area is also to be considered. Now what will be this thickness area वाला formula? This is nothing but pi capital R square minus pi small r square. ठीक है, pi capital R square will give you outer area, उसमें से inner area subtract किया तो ये इसका area मिल जाएगा. Okay, so pi capital R square minus small r square will give you the area of this part. So this ring का area plus the outer CSA plus the inner CSA will give you the total surface area. Okay, so TSA of the hollow hemisphere will be inner CSA, which we just found, also outer CSA. Okay, that is external CSA plus जो रिंग वाला पार्ट है उसका एरिया हो जाएगा पाई कैपिटल आर स्क्वायर माइनस स्मॉल आर स्क्वायर. वी हैव फाउंड द एरिया ऑफ दिस रिंग इन सिलेंड्रिकल पार्ट. ठीक है, सिलेंडर्स में हम लोग ने किया हुआ है. सो ये रिंग वाला फॉर्मूला हो जाएगा पाई कैपिटल आर स्क्वायर माइनस स्मॉल आर स्क्वायर. सो इनर CSA एंड एक्सटर्नल CSA वी ऑलरेडी नो, वी जस्ट नीड टू फाइंड दिस पार्ट. This was 693 and this was 1232. ठीक है, plus pi r square, so pi 22/7 r square. Capital R was 14. ठीक है, 14 square minus small r square, that is 21/2. This whole का square. 693 plus 1232 will give you 1925 plus 22/7 into 14 square is 196 minus 21 square is 441/4. ठीक है, so 1925 plus 22/7 into 196 into 4. This gives 784. ठीक है, मल्टीप्लाई किया माइनस 441/4. So TSA is 1925 plus 22/7 into 784 minus 441. This will give 343/4. We know 7 का क्यूब is 343, so 7 49s are. Okay, and over here 2 2s are, 2 11s are, and this will give 1925 plus, don't cancel it with this by mistake. ठीक है, बीच में प्लस साइन है. So 11 into 49/2. 1925 plus 269.5, 2194.5 centimeters square. So this is the total surface area of hollow hemisphere. Now volume of material of vessel. volume of only this much part I want. I don't want to know the capacity or anything. I don't want to know the inner volume. ठीक है. So वॉल्यूम ऑफ मटीरियल, ये मटीरियल जो यूज़ किया गया है कितना वॉल्यूम यूज़ किया गया है. सो वॉल्यूम दैट इज़ एक्सटर्नल वॉल्यूम, मतलब मैं पूरा आउटर वॉल्यूम फाइंड करूँ तो मतलब ये पूरा वॉल्यूम आ जाएगा. ठीक है. सो दिस होल आउटर वॉल्यूम दैट इज़ ये रेडियस लेके, ठीक है, ये वाला रेडियस लेके, एक्सटर्नल रेडियस लेके मैं पूरा वॉल्यूम फाइंड करूँ तो ये पूरा आ जाएगा. ठीक है, इंक्लूडिंग द हॉलो पार्ट. सो दैट इज़ 2/3, not 4/3, 2/3 pi r cube. But I don't want the inner part, it is empty. So I have to subtract something. What will I subtract? The inner volume. Outer volume minus the inner volume will give you only this much part का volume. ठीक है, not the hollow part. So 2 pi capital R cube minus 2/3 pi small r cube. ठीक है, this will give you the volume of the material used for the hemisphere. So taking 2/3 pi common, 2/3 pi r cube minus r cube. So this is 14 cube minus 21/2 cube. So instead of taking 21/2 बहुत complicated हो जाएगा, I'm just taking 10.5. ठीक है, 21/2 is 10.5 का cube. Or you can take 21/2 का cube and then 21 का cube find करो, divided by 2 का cube, that is 8, and then you will get the answer. So 2/3 pi 14 cube. This is 2744 and 10.5 का क्यूब. जस्ट फाइंड 105 का क्यूब. ठीक है, एंड देन अप्लाई डेसिमल पॉइंट. तो एक के बाद है, सो इफ यू टेक क्यूब तो 3 नंबर्स के बाद डेसिमल पॉइंट आएगा. सो यू जस्ट फाइंड द क्यूब ऑफ 105. दिस इज 1157.625. सो 2/3 into 22/7. 2744 minus 1157.625. 1586.375 हो जाएगा. सो 44/21 into 1586.375. This is 69800.5. This whole thing upon 21. ये हो जाएगा 3323.833 so on. So let us round it off to 2 decimal place. तो हो जाएगा 0.83. ठीक है, दिस इज़ वॉल्यूम, तो सेंटीमीटर क्यूब हो जाएगा. So this is the volume of the material used in the vessel.